Stop chatting with AI and start building systems that actually do your work for you. Most professionals waste hours on random AI prompts that produce robotic, inconsistent results. In high-stakes work, inconsistent outputs mean rework, lost stakeholder trust, and avoidable errors. AI can reclaim 10+ hours of your week if you move beyond chatting and into operationalized AI. Across 11 focus sections, you will master our signature 5-step method: define, context, draft, validate, finalize. This ensures every AI-assisted output is accurate, structured, and written in your authentic professional voice. Build the communication engine to triage your inbox with Inbox Zero principles, and create the meeting architect to turn expensive meetings into decision-driving task pipelines. Use the reporting hub to turn raw weekly activity into high-leverage executive summaries, and convert expertise into durable assets with SOPs and checklist generators that virtually eliminate human error. Learn the red line rule and sanitization ladder so sensitive information never leaves your controlled environment. Gain instant access to 60+ proven templates and the 10-second access rule for lightning-fast retrieval. Download the Resource Vault from the Resources link in Lecture 1. It includes the AI Work OS Starter Kit with my top templates so you can start automating today. Enroll now, build your personal AI operating system, and transform the way you work.